You're actually covering my beautiful, handsome face up.
Taking the risk, would y'all consider if I bought all of them? So we're gonna leave them to their nerd stuff and go buy some real things.
This guy? You're not that guy.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, what? Untested.
Thank you.
No controllers. And you could do console parts. So what I'm looking at, I haven't even pitched this offer yet, but we're looking at these N64 systems, and I got a GameCube here, GameCube there, N64 there. And the problem is, with them being untested, obviously there's a little bit of moisture out here with the fog, which isn't great. I mean, I would prefer to not have any moisture in there. I'm gonna pitch the offer. If I can get it right around parts price, then I'll profit on the ones that actually work. It's a gamble I'm willing to take. Hey, fellas, I don't know if y'all would entertain, but looking at it, not knowing if they work or not. So I don't know if it's, y'all can't, I'm assuming y'all can't guarantee, y'all haven't tested any of them, yeah?
We like today, Junior.
Plug it in, make sure it powers on.
Yeah.
But beyond that, so taking the risk, would y'all consider if I bought all of them? The way I like to do it is I look at, us being resellers, look at eBay, parts repair, sell 20, 25 bucks.
Yeah, I can't go anywhere near. I can't go that low though. Just so I want to.
Buying all of them, you would.
There's 7, right? 7.
20, it'd be
50 for it all already.
Huh? Some y'all turn it down?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I don't need to sell them.
It's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for them.
Yeah, I know. It's just being out here in the dew and water getting on the inside. And all joking clips aside, it's unfortunately we weren't able to make a deal, but it wasn't worth the risk given the fact that they weren't fully tested and unable to come down to the parts and repair price. Thank you. That's the top of it. Okay. There, LJ. That's the one I sent Kevin.
Paul Orndorff.
Is that the top to Snake Mountain?
Yeah, it is.
What about that little thing? 15. That complete the top of yours.
So yeah, it would with it. How much did he want for it?
15.
Yeah, just some paint wear, man. I'll do 5, but.
And that's nice. You got a good booth, brother.
Thank you.
Okay. And now you got the good stuff in here.
No, I just put random stuff. Thundercat, Indiana Jones.
This is a full Indiana Jones set.
Yep.
Is it? Oh, okay. So it's like this. Okay.
Look what I have on that one.
35.
I want to do $100 for all of them.
All these loose ones.
All of them. I got these 3 too. All these 3.
Oh, these 3.
All the loose ones. Well, yeah, there's like more than 30 figures in there.
What are you asking on the Thundercat figure?
15.
15. Let me see what I end up spending on video games. I might have to come back for that, brother. That's good.
Right here.
Not as old as I hoped.
Bring it up a little bit and be nice. He'll deal with it. You can get it for a deal.
Hey, do I have a double chin? Yes. No, you didn't say that.
So this is Dave's buddy. He did the podcast with Dave. Commonwealth Picker is my buddy from YouTube.
You're Commonwealth Picker?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, no, I just know because I see all the names.
Yeah.
This is Death Pile Picker.
What's up, man? Anthony,
Pleasure,
bro.
man.
Can I get a like and a follow from you guys too?
Give
Give me a shout out,
Give me
man.
a shout out.
Relics from the Attic. Follow us on Facebook. I'm gonna get a TV show, man. It's like Pickers meet Storage meets Cycle Patient, man. I'm telling you, like crazy. But I got a lot going on right here at Webster, Florida. Swap around the west side, best side. I got 30 spaces.
30.
It's crazy. I want to make a deal with you. Come on down, follow me. Go to our other places. Come and we got 2 cameras rolling. Come and check this out, man. 3. Oh my God.
How you been doing
I'm really a
today? You been
superstar.
selling today?
It's been a good day.
Good day.
Oh man, the crowd has been great. They've been friendly.
Yeah.
They've been spending, and they've been coming out positivity. Man, that's what we want. That's exactly what we
Probably
want.
once he gets done offering you stuff, you probably won't feel that way.
This guy? You're not that guy.
Yeah, he's that guy.
Yeah.
Man, listen, are you that guy?
Yeah.
We're gonna hug this one out. Holy shit. We're gonna hug it out. Now, look around, guys. If I can make a deal with you guys, I want to make deals with everybody. I'd rather flip it to you to make money.
He's willing to negotiate, as always.
That's it, willing to negotiate.
All right, we'll check
I'll hug it out.
Relics from the Attic. I want on your channels. I want to shout out Relics from the Attic. All your followers, follow me. Blow my page up, because I'm telling you, I'm going to be a household name, baby. A household name. Relics from the Attic. My name's Anthony.
Are we good back here, brother?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Come back. Look around, pilferage. Look around, folks.
I just don't know.
What's that one worth? That's a big old heavy one.
150
Is it? Is
with
that a rewriter?
150.
With the remote? Free shipper. Usually $100.
So, oh yeah, VCR. Oh shit, he's already gonna beat me down. We filming this live?
Yeah.
So he's already gonna beat me down. I like the guy
You
already.
said you wanted to hug it out,
Hug
but
it
you're
out?
gonna be the one
Hug
crying.
it out, bro. Hug it out. Hug it in. What's up?
Oh, I'll give you a hug first. That's what it takes. But
Ain't it what it take?
I mean, so
Did
that's
we really just hug that out on
Yeah,
camera?
we're
And you gonna
go-
put that in your video?
Sure,
That's
I'm
some
good.
wild shit. I like it.
I know.
We
I'll even
rolling.
keep the shit in there
That's
too.
what I'm talking
now
about.
we got two of them.
Raw as a motherfucker. You can't put that in there, can you?
He won't let me put
I
that
don't
in
blame
there.
you on that one.
Deal. Make
What do you?
I'll tell you what I want. I wanted 40, but I'll take 20 bucks right now.
All right, I'll give you 20.
See? Look at that. See? I'm gonna make.
I was thinking 5.
We'll do 7. We'll meet you halfway. Come on now. You're supporting small business. Small business. Look around, folks. Those, yep, old deep well sockets. I appreciate you.
You as well, brother.
No, thank you very much. See, we didn't really have to even go. It's a good negotiation.
So we're gonna leave them to their nerd stuff and go buy some real things.
I want to work with you, man. Man, you guys are awesome. He didn't look at this. We hugged it out, and he gave me exactly what I wanted. I was scared for a minute. I was terrified. You look like you might eat him. Can I say it on your?
I want at
Can I
least.
say? I can't say that.
I wanted it at least. No, he won't let me
He
now.
look like he eat him. You know what I'm saying? Look at that big ogre looking mother. Cool as shit though, man. I don't even know these dudes. Hey, these dudes be cool as hell, man, for real. I can't stand them. Like me, I was telling you last
Just so you
time.
know, look it was already loaded. Like I
Hey,
didn't
Dave,
lie.
did you watch this
You
video?
know what I mean?
Very good.
Yeah. I followed you
Hey, we're
already.
talking
That's
about
actually-
people that, man,
that's
like you go to
actually
the
how I
yard sales,
started,
yard sellers.
working for him. I was vending.
I can see that. Anyway, Dave, man, what's up, man? We watched the video. Everybody, all y'all, man, thank you very much. Relics
Hey.
for the Attic. Peace out.
Hey, no peace out.
Good, I got the shield.
I'm gonna give you-
didn't have to buy anything.
I don't know. This is vintage carnival glass.
All right, cool.
That's not carnival glass.
Not carnival glass. No, this is from carnival.
I know. Carnival mirror.
Carnival
If it
mirror.
wasn't there, I don't think so.
I grew up in
Yeah.
a carnival.
You want a bag though, or you got something?
Yeah, do a bag, man.
What's that for?
You can tell me no.
Oh, the Rambo. You good?
Okay.
You're good.
Dude, check these out. You didn't even look at that, dude? You ever seen that? Look at this Camionics or something. We got two of them.
Handcrafted in the USA. Stone quarry. That's worth looking at for sure. I've never seen it, ever. Definitely worth looking at.
Hug it out, bro.
Hug it out, bro. I like how you said it. Hug it out. You're actually covering my beautiful, handsome face up.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, wow, you gotta direct that camera. Wow, you need a director now. Cut.
All right, so there we go.
Yeah, those ones.
No, don't. You're getting.
Oh,
too
why are you
virtual.
doing it? Why are you doing it? I can't remember. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, that's what I thought.
No,
yeah, good. I give you both. I give you both for 35. It's a deal, man.
You're gonna make me look at
You're
these.
not losing. I'll give you both for 35. I'm taking.
You know what?
I'm giving you. You're not losing.
I would do both for 25 without looking.
Yeah, you're not.
What do you want?
You're
Because
not losing.
if I look, then I may not even buy. But I do both.
Oh
for,
my God, are we tempting fate
both,
here?
both for 25 without
Who thinks
looking.
I should do it? Should I do it? Should I live by my own advice? Yes. Sell them. Good. We're good. Thank you, man.
You know, on Instagram.
I have it, but I don't use it yet.
Use it.
Dude,
Yeah, use my Instagram. It's
way
all
more,
common.
way more coverage.
Yeah, way more coverage. Instagram. He's good. Yep. He'll show you everything he
So,
got.
so more resellers that are gonna follow you, buy from you, stuff like that,
On
hit you
Instagram?
up.
I appreciate the
You're gonna
advice.
find more of those on Instagram.
Okay, that's cool. I appreciate that advice. Yeah. I mean, I'm not like tooting my own horn, but I got the personality.
You do, absolutely.
Yeah, you do.
I got personality.
Yeah, man.
And that,
And it gives me a good outlet because I'm full of this energy, and I don't know what to do with it. And now I get to like, it's like an acting job, it's a salesman job, it's fun, it's like a stand-up comedian all in one. I love it. It's the greatest thing ever.
Papers.